I've been wanting to get in here since I first found the place. And shot it up. Yeah, I must ah, shit. Oh, might as well check and see if there's anything in here. Nope. Oh, you bastard! I'm like, what the fuck is that? I'm like, oh my fucker, I hate you so much right now. Oh. The worst part was it sounded like it was right on top of me, and I was like, holy shit! Oh my god. How long is this? Alright, alright. I'm pausing that. I can't go. Yeah, it's a 5-minute sound effect. I'm not gonna be running through the whole thing. I can barely hear the game itself. Whoops. You made me level though for some reason. Yeah, 0. I leveled! Alright! I know what to pick up. I am picking up the master... I think I got that, yeah. Master locks! So, guys, you know, I made all that, spent all that time getting here, but,